So when the temperatures dip, the air temperatures dip, of course your water temperatures are going to dip as well. Grabbing a thermometer, a submersible thermometer here from the garden center is a good idea, simply because you want to make sure you know how cold your temperatures are in your pond so that you can be feeding them properly. Our normal regular formula, the bags that have a bluish aqua color on here, those are for the warmer months. This product here that has the green band up here is for the cold temperatures. So your koi and your goldfish's metabolism slows down in the cold weather. And so you want to make sure you're feeding them a different formula for the cold seasons. So between 50 and 60 degrees, if your temperatures in your water are between 50 and 60 degrees, go ahead and pick this up and feed your fish this. Temperatures lower than 50 degrees, go ahead and stop feeding your fish altogether. Oh, and by the way, feeding your fish, go ahead and always feed your fish only as much as they will eat in a very few minutes. And koi and goldfish, they really don't have to eat every day. So if you are feeding your fish on a daily basis or even twice a day, you can back off of that. There are lots of reasons why. One big reason is because you will produce more nutrients in your pond, which feeds algae, and no one likes to have too much algae in their pond. So go ahead and back off of your feeding to like maybe once every other day. Use a cold water formula if the temperatures are between 50 and 60 degrees, and then back off altogether after the temperatures reach below 50 degrees in your pond. Thanks for checking us out, earthworksjacks.com. Check out all of our online shopping. Click the green button at the top right or call us 904-996-0712. I'm Rhonda. You can reach me at extension 104. Thanks, guys.